everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I know I was going to do a update with the honey and the lemon and everything, and kind of like cut that right in the middle of it and everything, and let everybody hanging. So here is the update. So my honey, lemon, and ginger honey that I did. What I did was I put some honey, then I did lemon and ginger. I did put honey, lemon, and ginger. Honey, lemon, and ginger until it filled up and everything. And I will let it sit. So I'll go back and I'll put up here somewhere how long, when I did it, how long it's been. Actually, I think I can tell you right now. I did it 5/9/2026. So not quite a month. It's been a few weeks. Let's see here. And so 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. It's been sitting for 4 weeks, and this is what it looks like. It's nice and syrupy and everything. I can strain it out if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna leave it there. You see, there's ginger, my lemons. There's some lemon seeds in there that's stuck in there. But look at that. This can go into so many different things, and you can just take it to teaspoon if you want one. Add it to your teas. I guess you can add it to your coffees. You know, I'm not so much of a putting honey in my coffee type person. So I get a spoon, and we're going to taste test this. And I could add more honey to that. Here we go. Oh wow, that's definitely different, but it's so good. It has a nice, really nice flavor to that. I definitely want to add some more honey. You know, put it up here to the neck of the jar. Oh yeah, that definitely would go good in some tea. It would be green tea or some just hot tea or flavored tea. Oh, maybe some fennel tea. That sounds good too. So the other project I did, like I said, I did it a few years ago, and mine did not turn out right. I do not know what happened or why, but I made the homemade vanilla extract. So I wanted to do lemon again. So we had lemons left over, and I did fill it up back up again with rum that I had, so it could be back up to the neck. But this is what it looks like. I mean, it's still looking good. You know, you shake it every once in a while and everything. That was just my alarm on my phone. Let me know what time it is and everything. So you got the seeds in there too, so it'll extract from the seeds. And this was the peel from, if I remember correctly, I had like 4 lemons, or maybe 2 or 3 lemons. And I just chopped them, let them dry out a little bit, chopped them up and everything, put them in the jar. Now this won't be ready for a while, maybe 6 months to a year. So we'll just keep checking on it and everything. Some people say to burp it. I never have. I know you're supposed to put some between the tops and everything, because the acid or something, but I don't have anything to put there. And actually this is kind of like sealed itself. Oh, there it goes. I see it's doing all right. There you go. That smells, oh, it smells so good. So I'm just going to keep that like that. You know, shake it up every once in a while and everything to keep it going and all. And let's go ahead and add some more honey to this. Lemon, ginger honey. And I need to get some more honey. And you can add some more, and I'll do the same thing. Just let it sit a little bit longer. Excuse me. So there you go. You just add it and then shake it back up and let that all mix together like that. Give it a few more days. You can let it sit another week. So the honey that you just put in there, you know, mix around like that and everything. I love, love, love this. This is so much fun. So, I getting back into the things I used to do and everything. So next time I want to do an orange and then do a lime with, like I'm doing with the lemon extract. I mean, you can do so many different things. I've seen people do now your apple cider vinegar. I have tried that a long time ago, so I don't know if I'll try that again or not. That's a process. But I will try to do some other fruits. I'll do a blueberry extract. And I got some pomegranate pearls in the freezer too. So that might be something else I might do. And when I do it, I'll bring y'all along and everything. So, but this, I wanted to give y'all an update of what was going on, what it looked like and everything. And give it a good taste test and all. And oh, it is awesome. So y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Stay tuned for more fun projects coming along and all. And don't forget, down below, all my links are down below. The links to my cookbook, links to the affiliate links. I've got my other book that I put down there. Buy Me Coffee, Squares Like PayPal, the merch store, support the other channel, but it also has the God Bless, Stay Safe, Love y'all there. And then my affiliates, my apps and everything that I made. The one is Bible and food app mixed together. So check those down below and everything. Look for more fun tinctures and everything that are coming your way. Maybe some bagels too. You just never know. I've been wanting bagels. My arm is doing really well. So I'll show y'all how my arm is doing real quick. It's gone down since I'm not drinking any of the Silk almond milk or almond breeze milk or anything. I've been making my own oat milk. So I'm super excited. This is, right here you get skin tone. This is getting there. This will be the last part, to do what it needs to do. So there we go. More homemade milk products too. Oat milk stuff. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all and we'll see you later.